Your wall is cracking and peeling, but the real problem isn't the paint, it's moisture. In the past, testing for it meant calling a professional to drill into your brand new wall, messy, time-consuming, and only giving you data from one tiny spot. But now, take a look at the portable concrete moisture meter on my hands. With this compact tool, you can quickly and non-destructively analyze the problem. No more waiting days, and no more breaking walls to locate the problem. It's incredibly easy to use. Step 1. Press the power button to start the device. Step 2. Place the probes flat against the surface you want to test. Whether it's a wall, plaster, floor, or tile, dry or damp, indoor or outdoor. This meter adapts to all kinds of environments. Step 3. Press one button to get the reading. And even in low light conditions, the backlit display makes your data crystal clear. Now that you know how it works, let's see how it performs in real conditions. We tested it on two surfaces, a dry floor and a wet one that had just been splashed with water. The readings? 4% and 18%. Accurate, fast, and absolutely reliable. Only one thing to keep in mind. Always pay attention to the thickness and depth of the surface you're measuring. If it goes beyond 5 centimeters, the readings may become less accurate. Also, avoid placing the meter too close to metal objects, as they can interfere with the signal and affect the results. If you are a professional construction worker, it's just the right tool for you, as the meter delivers reliable and accurate data in seconds, helping you diagnose and solve problems with confidence. Also, if you are just concerned about home safety, our manual provides clear instructions for use and maintenance. It's perfect for quick, at-home inspections, helping you reduce repair costs and get real value for your money. Say goodbye to time-consuming, messy drilling tests. Detect moisture problems before they become costly repairs. If you're looking for this device or other reliable testing tools, you know where to find FridayParts. We offer competitive prices and quality tools you can trust. Click the link below to get your concrete moisture meter today and fix the problem before it gets worse. FridayParts. Fix it once. Fix it right. See you next time.
FridayParts. Fix it once. Fix it right.